Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will talk about the history of Python. Okay, so before starting today's lecture, I would like to request from all of you guys, like share my videos with your friends so that they can get placed in companies. Okay, so let's do not waste the time and just focus on the today's lecture. As I told you, today we will discuss about the history of Python. So in the history of Python, first we will talk about the origin of Python. Origin of Python names means where did it came. Okay, so there is a person called Guido van Rossum. Okay, this is a scientist. Okay, scientist from where? Scientist from Netherlands. Okay, there is a person called Guido van Rossum and he is a scientist and he is from Netherlands. He started working on their invention in 1989. Okay, and he completed their invention, almost completed in 1990. He almost completed their invention in late 1990s. Okay, so after that, so he completed their invention in 1990s, but at that time he didn't think about their invention name. Okay, what I mean to say, like, he almost completed their invention and whatever he was working, he almost completed in late 1990s. In late 1990s means you can say in December 1990s. Okay, but he was working on that time, so he didn't think about the name, like what will I give the name of our invention. So his favorite comedy series was coming on BBC television. What was the comedy series? Monty Python's Flying Circus. So he took the name from this web series and give their invention name the Python. Okay, so he gave their invention name Python from their favorite comedy circus. Okay, and then he picked the name from their Python and name Python from their favorite series. Okay, in the market, first time Python was released in 1991. Okay, we can say Feb 1991. What was the version? Version was 0.9.0. Okay, so this is the first version that he released in February 1991. After that, he released the version 1.0, because there was so many bugs in their first release, which was released in 1991. So he fixed the bugs and released the new version, which is called the version 1.0. The version 1.0 released in Jan 1994. Okay, some new features like in version 1 was reduce was a function. Okay, so he added the function in version 1, and there was some called lambda function also, then filter, and many more are there. Okay, but still he was not happy with their invention. There was also some bugs in version 1.0, so he again started working in their invention, and then he released version 2.0 or 2.0, whatever you say. Okay, so version 2.0 released in October 2000. Okay, and what kind of features he added in version 2.0? He added some features like list comprehension. Okay, and some more are there. Okay, but still he was not happy with their invention then, but still he was not happy with this version again. So again he fixes the bugs and he released the version 2.1. Okay, and 2.1 is released in 2001. Okay, and there was a software foundation which is called PSF, means Python Software Foundation. Okay, so released 2.1 version in 2001, and one foundation he made which is called a Python Software Foundation, and all the things and all the features of Python will be introduced by this foundation only, means Python software foundation. So all the things whatever he is added the features in Python, all the things will comes from this foundation, Python software foundation. Means whatever he is adding, all the things will be handled by the PSF. Okay, then again he released the new version which is called the Python 3.0, and Python 3.0 released in 2008. Okay, and some major changes in Python 3.0 is like he added some more functions in Python 3.0. like before Python 3.0 there is called print, which was known as a statement. Okay, but in 3.0 it is known as function. Okay, so currently the Python version is 3.12. okay, so we will study Python 3.12 in this course, in this whole course. Okay, so I will tell you like how will you install the Python and how will you configure it. Do not worry about it. So these are the things that you should know about these things. Okay, maybe some interviewer will ask you like what is the difference between Python 2.0 and Python 3.0, what will be the features added in version 2 or 3, maybe he will ask. So you should know about these things. That's why I told you about the history of Python. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the like button as well. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.